Hi guys, thanks for joining me for my video today. As you know, I am posting a video every single day the month of December to celebrate the holidays, so it's called Vlogmas. So for today for my video, it's gonna be super quick, but I am making I call it like a detox water, but it is so good and really important to stay hydrated, especially around the holidays. There's so much extra drinking and functions going on. I know I always overindulge a little bit sometimes, so it's really great to stay hydrated and make sure that your body is taken care of, even if you're going to be doing a little bit of celebrating. So lots of that going on this holiday season. So I just wanted to share with you what I like to have, what I call my detox water. I have this water jug. It's so good. I love it. It has all the times of how often you should be drinking water. So it says 7 a.m., good morning. I get up way earlier than that, but that's all right. And then 9 o'clock, hydrate yourself. 11 a.m., remember your goal. Definitely the goal is to drink lots of water, stay hydrated. 1 o'clock, keep chugging. 3 o'clock, feeling awesome. 5 p.m., don't give up. 7 p.m., almost finished. And 9 p.m., you did it, you drank the whole thing. So I love this jug, got it on Amazon. My husband has one also, so we both have these. Really great quality. So it has like this cap that you can just drink out of this way, so you don't get all of the veggies or whatever you're gonna put into your water. And then you can just put everything in here. You can drink it out of this bigger one if you'd like, but you can pour it into a cup. But this is just a great way to track how much you're having and make sure that you're getting plenty of water, 8 glasses a day, and always just staying hydrated. So this is really great. It has this handle, got it on Amazon, so I will link it in the description box. But like I said, love it. My husband has one also, so these are really great. So for my detox water, I'm gonna have cucumber, lemon, and ginger. I just love all 3 of these and adding it into the water. And I let it sit overnight so I can get all of the flavors, and it's just so refreshing and so good for you. Just wonderful health benefits from all 3 of these. So I will just cut all this up, put it in my water, and then I will have this to drink all day, and then it'll tell me how I'm doing, and if I need to drink a little extra, if I'm falling behind, I can do that. But it's just really good to drink a lot of water and just helps you stay healthy. So if you feel like you need to get a little bit healthier, just give your body a little bit more water. Consider getting one of these awesome jugs so you can make a big old batch of detox water. I love it. So if you make this, I hope you enjoy it. Check back on my channel every day this month. I'll be sharing fun recipes, fun just holiday ideas each day. So I am really excited to be celebrating the holidays with all of you. Subscribe to my channel if you are new, so that you get a notification each time I post a new video. Like I said, they'll be posted every day, so check back often, all right? I will get my detox water ready to go for the day.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.